Most people just grab whatever motor oil is on sale at the auto parts store, but after using numerous 5W-20 synthetic oils over the years, I can tell you that choice matters more than you think. In today's video, I will be ranking the top 5 best 5W-20 full synthetic motor oils that deliver on their promises. And before we start, subscribe to my channel so you don't miss out on my upcoming tips and reviews on car maintenance and upgrades. And once you are done watching till the end, comment below with your best pick on 5W-20 motor oils. I will be happy to know what you use. Also, check the links in the description below for the best deals on all the featured motor oils. Let's count down from number 5 to my top pick. Coming in at number 5 is the Liqui Moly Specialtech AA 5W-20. This German-engineered oil caught my attention with its premium price point and bold claims. Liqui Moly has built their reputation on German engineering precision, and this oil definitely reflects that attention to detail. Where this oil really shines is cold weather performance. A client used it through a brutal Minnesota winter, and it flowed beautifully even at -20 degrees. The low temperature viscosity is impressive, and it maintains its protective properties well. Wear analysis showed excellent results after 7,500 miles. If you're wondering which cars the Liqui Moly Specialtech AA 5W-20 is best suited for, the compatibility list is impressively broad. It works perfectly with popular Toyota models like the Yaris, Aygo, RAV4, Auris, and CHR, as well as Mazda's Mazda 3 and CX-5. It's also a solid match for Mitsubishi vehicles including the ASX, Outlander, Pajero, and L200, plus Kia's Ceed and Sportage. For Hyundai owners, it covers the i10, i20, Tucson, and Santa Fe, while Honda CR-V Mk3 drivers are also in luck. On the Nissan side, it's compatible with the Micra, Terrano, and X-Trail, and even stretches into premium territory with Jaguar and the Range Rover Sport L320. This wide coverage makes it a versatile choice across everything from compact city cars to SUVs and high-end models. The downside, it's expensive. We're talking nearly double the cost of mainstream synthetics, which puts it at number 5 despite its solid performance. Despite a premium price tag, the oil delivers where it counts: wear protection, efficiency, engine cleanliness, and multi-brand approval, making it a worthy choice for demanding, multi-vehicle households and drivers who prioritize long-term engine health. At number 4, we have the Castrol Edge Extended Performance 5W-20 Advanced Full Synthetic Oil. This is probably the most recognizable name on our list, and there's a reason it's everywhere. Castrol markets this as their premium extended drain oil, promising up to 25,000 miles between changes under ideal conditions. In a high-temperature testing, it lived up to the hype. The fluid titanium technology really does provide excellent shear stability under extreme conditions. It's engineered for extended oil change intervals, advertised to last up to 20,000 miles or 1 year, whichever comes first, while offering significantly enhanced wear protection, improved viscosity control, and exceptional thermal stability under intense engine loads. I ran this oil for 15,000 miles in a daily driver, a turbocharged 4-cylinder that sees a lot of highway miles. The oil analysis came back clean with minimal viscosity breakdown. The oil also meets or exceeds a broad spectrum of top-tier industry and OEM specifications. These approvals make it suitable for a wide variety of vehicles, particularly those from American and European manufacturers that require these exacting oil standards. While direct car model listings for the 5W-20 variant are limited in publicly accessible sources, the specifications indicate compatibility with Chrysler, GM, and Ford engines as well as others under the broader ACA and ILSAC standards. For precise model year fitments, using Castrol's official product finder tool or checking your vehicle's owner's manual is recommended. It's reliable, widely available, and competitively priced. The only reason it's not ranking higher on my list is that the next 3 oils simply performed better in my specific testing criteria. Taking the bronze medal at number 3 is the Pennzoil Ultra Platinum Full Synthetic 5W-20 Motor Oil. This oil has a unique selling point that initially made me skeptical. Pennzoil claims this oil is made from natural gas using their Pure Plus technology. Sounds like marketing fluff, right? Well, the results speak for themselves. This technology results in exceptionally clean piston performance, up to 65% cleaner than industry standards, while offering superior wear protection, resistance to sludge and deposits, excellent low-temperature flow and strong volatility control. After 10,000 miles of use in a client's car, I pulled the valve cover for inspection. The engine internals were remarkably clean, cleaner than I've seen with any other oil in this price range. The lab analysis confirmed what I saw visually: exceptional cleanliness ratings, low wear metals, and stable viscosity throughout the drain interval. The client also noticed a slight improvement in fuel economy, about half an mpg better than his baseline. Not huge, but measurable and consistent. Also, this oil meets and often exceeds high-level industry and OEM specifications. These approvals make it a strong fit across many modern gasoline-powered engines, especially those from Ford, GM, and Chrysler, while also covering vehicles requiring the strictest ILSAC and API standards. In terms of practical applications, Pennzoil Ultra Platinum 5W-20 is especially well suited for high-performance, turbocharged, gasoline direct injection, GDI, and modern engines that demand the highest level of cleanliness and wear protection. It excels in severe driving conditions, such as frequent cold starts, stop-and-go traffic, heavy loads, or dusty environments, thanks to its robust performance across extreme temperatures. At number 2, we have the Royal Purple 5W-20 High Performance Synthetic. This oil has a cult following among car enthusiasts, and after my testing, I understand why. Royal Purple has built their reputation on high-performance applications, and their Synerlec additive technology is genuinely impressive. The most noticeable difference with Royal Purple was engine noise reduction. I put it in a client's high-mileage Honda Accord, ran noticeably quieter within just a few hundred miles. The wear protection is outstanding. After 8,000 miles of mixed driving, the wear metals in my oil analysis were among the lowest I've ever recorded. It is ideal for a broad array of gasoline engines found in passenger cars, SUVs, light vans, and light trucks. It serves especially well in modern engine designs featuring gasoline direct injection, turbocharging, multi-valve setups, and start-stop systems. The formulation also provides 5 times better protection against low-speed pre-ignition, a critical concern in contemporary turbocharged gasoline direct injection engines, while enhancing deposit control, engine cleanliness, and fuel economy. My best overall pick is the Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic 5W-20. This might surprise some of you, but hear me out. Valvoline doesn't have the premium marketing of some other brands, but what they do have is consistent, reliable performance at an excellent value. In every single test category, wear protection, thermal stability, viscosity retention, and cleanliness, Valvoline performed in the top tier, often matching or exceeding oils costing twice as much. I've run this oil in 4 different vehicles from different clients over the past year, from a brand new Toyota Camry to a 200,000-mile Ford F-150. Consistent excellence across the board. But here's what sealed the deal. At its affordable price for 5 quarts, it delivers premium performance at a mainstream price. That's unbeatable value. After 12,000 miles of use, the engines showed minimal wear, excellent cleanliness, and the oil maintained its protective properties throughout extended drain intervals. The final oil analysis confirmed what I experienced. Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic is simply the best overall package for most drivers. And those are my top 5 5W-20 full synthetic motor oils. Each has its strengths, but Valvoline Advanced Full Synthetic takes the crown for overall value and performance. Remember, the best oil for your car depends on your specific needs, driving conditions, budget, and what your car's user manual recommends. If this video helped you make a decision, hit subscribe and ring the notification bell for more automotive product reviews and tips on maintaining and upgrading your car. Drop a comment below and let me know which oil you're running in your ride, or if you have questions about any of these products. And definitely check out the links in the description below for exclusive deals that'll save you money on whichever oil you choose. Thanks for watching, keep your engine running smooth, and I'll see you in the next video.